Okay, you have Madhurika, very good. Komal, you have read fastly today. Your reading speed also increased. Good, good. You have to improve lot. You have to improve more. Speed reading will give you more concentration, and you won't divert to the surroundings. You will concentrate only on the passage. Understood? Yes, I will move for another passage. We'll take one more. Okay, but you are good, improving a lot. That's neat. Read it. How many members joined? Okay, very good. We'll take one new passage, that first introduction passage. Okay, are you interested in reading now?
Yes, sir.
Is this visible? Is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. Okay. You raise your hands, or you may tell directly I have unmuted everyone. Okay, Madhulika raised hand first. You can unmute yourself. Okay. Who are interested to read? Madhulika, are you interested? Okay.
Sir, read.
Yes, start reading.
It is necessary that students should be given practice in answering some difficult, so that not.
Okay, this is not required. Okay, this I will read. It is necessary that students should be given practicing in answer some difficult passages, means multiple choice questions under prose passage for comprehension. If they are to secure full marks, maximum marks 25 out of 25. The prose passage, transport, facilities, and education, the importance means of human development given in the Navodaya entrance test. So agriculture and blindness, these all type of passages will be given in the Navodaya entrance test. And so if you, means if I shall I tell one thing, if you prepare a difficulty, means if you prepare some difficult questions, means if question paper will come in the sense of level 2, if you prepare up to level 3, if you prepare level 3, it will be very easy to do level 2 problems. Have you understood? So
Okay, sir.
means if you run, shall I tell one thing in your real life example only, if you run fastly, means if you run 100 meters in 10 seconds, how much time it will take you to run 50 meters? It is very easy. Understood? If you are able to run 5 rounds in some round, if you are able to run 5 rounds, but in the competition they will give only 2 rounds to run. So it is easy or not? It is very easy because you are prepared for running 5 rounds, but they are giving only to run 2 rounds. So means if you face the difficult questions, level of questions, very high questions or high level questions, if you face, it is very easy to face small questions. Means this easy question, this level 2 questions will become easy. Okay, this we'll read this passage. So if you are prepared for difficult, those exam will be easier for you. Understood? Okay. Study this passage. This. Go ahead, Madhulika.
A disciple who strongly believed that his guru had endless power was able to walk on a river, uttering his guru's name. Seeing that the guru thought, oh must be having such a great power. How great I am. The next day, he tried to cross the river uttering, I, but as soon as he put his foot on the water, he was drowned in the water and he died. Once one can achieve wonderful things through devotion and application of mind. However,
Egotism cause
total
ruin means they will fall in the misery, means fall in some problems, they will face some problems. So anyone interested in reading? Raise your hands. Who are interested?
Sir.
More. No one interested in reading? Okay, I will read this passage. I will read one more time. I will continue this. Okay, this one. A disciple who strongly believed that his guru had endless power was able to walk on the river, uttering his guru's name. Seeing that, the guru thought, "Oh, my name must be having such a great power. How great I am." The next day, he tried to cross the river, uttering I. But as soon as he put his foot on the water, he was drowned in the water and he died. One can achieve wonderful things through devotion and application of mind. However, egotism causes total ruin. So what is meaning in this passage? First, a disciple. Disciple means the man or woman who pray for someone. Means if you pray for God, you are also disciple of God. So a disciple who strongly believed that his guru has endless power was able to walk on the river uttering his guru's name. For example, you may take the example in Ramayana. This the monkeys will walk on the rivers, walk on these oceans by keeping stones, by making the stones on the flow on the river, and they have walked on the river, means walked on the ocean. So like that only, a disciple who strongly believed that his guru had endless power was able to walk on river uttering his guru's name. In this Ramayana also, monkeys and many living creatures walked on the ocean by telling Rama, Rama, Rama. Like that, praying the God, they have walked on the river. Okay, it's good. Like this only, a disciple who strongly believed that his guru had endless power was able to walk on a river. Uttering means praying, means speaking, means they are praying like praying. His guru's name means their name. If they remember this name, means if we call this God Hanuman will pray for Rama and he will get more powers. Like that only, some disciples, in this they are given disciple. If they pray for their guru name, they will get more power and they will in such a way that they can even walk on the river. That much power they have got. Okay, they felt like that. Just seeing that means by seeing his disciples, Guru thought that, oh, my name must be having such a great power. How great I am. So he felt that I am very great. My name has this much power. Means that somewhat that ego came into his mind. Means that overconfidence came into his mind. Means my name has that much power and I am this much greatest person. Like that he felt himself very overconfident. Then next day, he tried to cross the river, uttering I means he himself called like that. But he didn't believe it in anyone. He didn't even believe it in himself. He just uttered, he just prayed the name I. But as soon as possible, he put on the water, he was drowned, means he was felt inside the water and he died. So at the end of the day, he was died. One can achieve wonderful things through the devotion and application of the mind. Application of the mind means if you use the mind and if you get the confidence, if you give the confidence to your mind, if you use your mind and if you pray for God, or if you pray for your wishes, means your who will you believe, you pray for that believed ones, you can do, means you can achieve wonderful things. So however, this egotism means overconfidence causes total ruin, means you will be felt down, means you will be fallen down. So this is the passage. So I will read once carefully. You once listen. It's a simple passage only, but the words are used, somewhat different words are used. A disciple who strongly believed that his guru had endless power was able to walk on a river uttering his guru's name. Seeing that, the guru thought, "Oh, my name must be having such a great power. How great I am." The next day he tried to cross the river uttering I. But as soon as possible, he put his foot on the water. He was drowned in the water and he died. One can achieve wonderful things through the devotion and application of mind. However, egotism causes total ruin. So the disciple strongly believe that. Answer. Okay, now anyone can answer. The disciple strongly believed that the guru was endless power, Rama was God, he was innocent, he should get into the river. What is the first answer? The disciple strongly believed that his guru was endlessly powerful. The disciple who strongly believed that his guru has endless power was able to walk on the river. So they have believed in their gurus. So what is the answer? Option 1. Rama was God. No, in this they didn't mention Rama. He was innocent. No. He should get into the river. No. The guru was endlessly powerful. The person who walked on the river was. Who walked on the river?
The guru.
See. Guru, what happened? The next day he tried to cross. Tell me the answer. Who will tell? I will see who will tell the correct answer. The person who walked on the river was
the guru.
The guru.
The guru.
Absolutely wrong answer. Disciple. The disciple. Why I will tell. See, listen. The disciple who strongly believed his guru means the disciples believed that strongly they have believed their guru has endless power. So they believed in themselves by thinking of their guru, and they have walked. They are able to walk on a river. But who was felt on the river? See here. The next day he tried to cross the river uttering, but as soon as he put his foot on the water, he was drowned in the water and died. Who was dead? He. Who is he in this sentence?
Guru.
Very good, Guru. You are in alert. You are alert. Yes. In this, Guru was overconfident. But see the answer. The person who walked on the river was. The answer was disciple. Because only disciple can walk because they have believed on their Guru. Okay. The Guru thought that his disciple was rich. His disciple was hero. The river was very big. He himself was a very great. Very good. He himself was very great. We should not think ourselves as great. We must be confident, but we should not think ourselves as great. Understood? If we think ourselves as great, what will happen? Have you seen now? Okay. He was felt in the river. Wonderful things can be achieved through money, pride, devotion and application of mind. Covered this.
Devotion and application of mind.
Very good. Yes, you may also. Yes, this will be useful in our real life also. If you want to achieve wonderful things, to pray for God. Just pray for God. You will get the things. You will read the passages perfectly. You believe in yourself by praying for God. You have to believe in yourself. It is primarily, but you have to and must pray for God. Okay. You have to pray for God. Okay. So what is the answer? Wonderful things can be achieved through devotion and application of mind. You go to passage. Don't go outside the box. Okay. In this passage only given, one can achieve wonderful things through the devotion and application of mind. Okay. The result of Guru egotism was that. The result of Guru egotism was the Guru died. Very good, good, great, great. The Guru was dead because he felt himself as very great. We should not feel ourselves as great. We must be confident. Okay. But we should not feel ourselves as great. Okay. Good, good. So what we learned today? We must be confident and we have to pray. Okay?
Okay, sir.
We must pray for God. Okay. You are reading, but you all are not raising your hands. Only today, only Madhulika, Hamsini, and Lakshmi Prasanna read. That's all. 3 members only read. I have planned to make everyone read, but no one raised. Only 3 members have read, and 1 boy, I think. What happened, remaining members? Okay, tomorrow onwards, you be prepared to read. Okay, you must read.
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow onwards. I will ask everyone.
Okay, sir.
Okay, from tomorrow onwards, I won't see the raised hands and I won't see who are interested. I will give your name. You have to read. Okay. Because if you read means you will get confidence. If you read in front of these all members, it means in front of all your friends, you will get the confidence. Understood? First primarily is you will get confidence. And then later you will improve speed reading. Okay. Okay. You go on reading regularly. Okay. Read this passage again in your mobiles. Okay. I'm leaving the meeting. Okay, right.